In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Salesforce Optimizer. Salesforce Optimizer is a built-in tool that reviews your org's features, usage, and configuration, then highlights opportunities to clean up, secure, and streamline your setup. It's a quick way to get data-backed recommendations without combing through dozens of pages in setup. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct org where you want to run the review. To start, you need to be in advanced setup mode. Look to the top right corner of your Salesforce window for the gear icon. Click the gear, then choose Open Advanced Setup. This view gives you the full administrative navigation, which is where the optimizer lives. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar setup home with a robust navigation panel on the left. Next, move to the left-hand pane and select Optimizer. This takes you to the dedicated area for the Salesforce Optimizer app. The Optimizer option is part of the standard setup navigation, so once you find it, you're just a couple of clicks away from running your analysis. When prompted, click Allow access to the Salesforce Optimizer app. This permission enables the tool to securely review your org's configuration and usage data. It's a standard, one-time authorization so the app can compile accurate results. After access is allowed, click Open Optimizer. This launches the app experience that runs the analysis and displays findings in a clear, actionable format. From here, you can run the optimizer. The scan typically completes quickly, depending on the size and complexity of your org, and it evaluates areas like fields, page layouts, permissions, unused features, and limits. You'll see results grouped by category, with insights that explain what was found, why it matters, and the potential impact. Think of this as your health check. You can use the results to identify quick wins, such as removing unused fields or tightening profile assignments, as well as longer-term improvements that may require planning. The optimizer's guidance is practical and designed to help you prioritize. If you manage a larger org, running it periodically can keep your setup aligned with best practices as teams and processes change over time. That's all there is to it. Open Advanced Setup, go to Optimizer, allow access, open the app, and then run the optimizer to get your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using these insights to keep your Salesforce org clean, secure, and efficient.